Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to send money from your Cash App to your debit card. Let's begin by opening the Cash App on your phone. Once you've opened the app, you'll land on the home screen. This is where you can see your recent transactions, your balance, and access key features. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a dollar amount displayed there, or it might simply say the word balance. Tap on that area to go to your cash balance page. On this new screen, you'll see an option labeled Cash Out. Tap on that button. Next, you'll be asked to enter the amount of money you want to transfer. This amount must come from your available Cash App balance. So go ahead and type in the amount you want to move to your debit card. After entering the amount, tap the green button that also says Cash Out. Now, you'll be presented with two options for how you want to send the money. The first option is called Standard. This method is free, but it usually takes 2 to 3 business days for the money to arrive in your bank account. The second option is called Instant. This option sends the money to your debit card immediately, but it comes with a small fee. If you want the money to arrive right away, go ahead and tap on the Instant option. If you've already linked a debit card to your Cash App account, the transfer will begin right away. But if you haven't linked a debit card yet, the app will now prompt you to enter your card details. This includes your 16-digit debit card number, the card's expiration date, the 3-digit security code on the back, and your billing zip code. Take a moment to enter this information carefully. Once everything is filled out, tap the green button that says Link Card. After a few seconds, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your debit card has been successfully linked to your Cash App account. Now that your card is linked, Cash App will begin processing your instant transfer. Within a few moments, you should see a confirmation screen that says your money has been sent to your debit card. If you open your bank account or check your balance through your banking app, you should see the funds available right away. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Cash App to your debit card. Thanks for watching.